Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow your moderators to view chat and ban history for users in your channel by turning on the moderator tools in chat feature. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and click on the channels or the profile button in the upper right corner and then tap on channel. Click on customize channel. Tap on settings in the left side column and click on the moderation subsection, then scroll down to the chat privileges section, and here you can find the moderator tools in chat feature that you can turn on by tapping on this button, and it will allow your moderators to view chat and ban history for users in your channel and view and add comments on users. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.